Thank you for that, Daphne. Gabo! It's been quiet in the ball game, Coach Mike. Pero ito, I think may height requirement. Pasok na pasok naman siya doon.
Huwag na tayo pumunta sa usapang ganyan, ha? Oo.
4-point swing in favor of Jensen.
Pareho lang tayo hindi papasa doon.
Kaya masaya na tayo dito.
Oo
on
naman.
the sidelines. Ito naman talagang ating passion. Pero mapapatagal pa dahil itong ang pangarap nitong si Aaron Estacio. Diop can't get it to go.
Oh, John Gabriel is down.
Aksidente atang tinamaan pag-ikot ni Larry Rodriguez. Jagars looking to attack. Shooter on shooter. Switch by Adi Santos. Step back. No space. Blocked by Larry Rodriguez. Tabo. Punta rito kay Val Acuña. Drive. Float. Still short sa pagkakataon. Finally a make. Aaron tries to attack early. Goes to Warlock. Swing pass. Turnover for Pasig. 4 versus 3. Hesed looking like Ray John Rondo. Won't be there. One-on-one. Larry on the drop step. Malakas! Battle for the loose ball. Warlock gets it. Pushes it. John Gabriel all alone for the lay. Extreme ang subok at kompletong appliances brand ng Pilipinas. Estacio challenged up by Minerva Garcia. Straight line and in. Jagars gets the lead. Gabo on the other end answers right back. We have a shootout in Olivares. 5 minutes and 45 remaining. Oh, ball is stopped from behind. Warlo Bata all alone. Warlo gets the 2. They switch it. 9 on the shot clock. Gabo on Estacio. Estacio, Fader, trademark. Good for Aaron Estacio. 70-70. We're only on our first game of 3, but we are already on a good one. Marwin Junicio answers right back on the other end. Bola babalik dito sa Jensen. Junicio, punta kay Gabo. Defended, but the guts of the veteran Hesed Gabo, 6 points here in the 4th. Gabo has been red hot in the quarter, 8 points in total. Gabo looking for a friend.
Nice
Swing
pass.
pass. Fontanilla dribbles in, floats, good for Josh Fontanilla.
Over to the shooting guard tong si Hesed Gabo.
The Flores on the fader, extra pass turnover para sa Pasig. Fontanilla tap from behind. Stolen. 3 versus 2. Short para kay Jagar.
They don't want to switch this.
8 seconds remaining. Warlo blitz by Flores. There is a push, but there is no whistle. Jagars all alone for the lay. Cuts the lead down to 3. One-on-one against Warlo Batak. 10 on the shot clock. Ginamit si Adi. That blitz. Hesed Gabo goes out to Fontanilla. Drives one. That's again. The left hand is good. Nothing there. 10 seconds remaining. Goes to Pido. He drives. Goes inside.
Nice
Extra
pass.
pass inside. Jacob Galicia cuts the lead down to 1. They throw it. Lambino. Jagars. Oh, cannot get the attempt. And that will end the ball game. Jensen escapes via a 1-point win.
Boy, Jagars